side?
Maybe it's the flag.
He's gonna miss the bird and go in the water.
He's gonna get there first. He's sneaking.
Let's go, friends. They're on the other side.
She's got a perfect view.
Watch those birds. Oh, there they are.
Oh, Sheldon. Patience.
You gonna catch that bird?
Oh.